is it true, Muftisab, if a home or if a house is left vacant for some time, then the jinnats take over? And if it's true, how does one know if there's a jinn in the house?
Almighty Allah says in the verse of the Noble Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. Allah created men and jinns to worship Allah. So Allah has created man from sand and jinn are created from a smokeless fire. And when man was created, the jinns were already in existence. Jinns are invisible and have their own system of living. Some jinns are Muslim, others are non-Muslim. And like Muslims, so some jinns are mischievous and can cause harm to human beings, and others are believers and they do not interfere with the fellow humans in any way whatsoever. The jinns appear in different form. Sometimes they appear in the form of a human being. Once the devil came to Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu in the form of a poor man and took some food set aside for charity. The jinns may appear in the form of animals such as a black cat. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned that the black dog is a devil. Allama ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah stated that jinns frequently take the form of black dogs and black cats. They also take the form of snakes. And therefore there's a narration of Abu Lubaba radiallahu ta'ala anhu that Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbidden the killing of snakes that are found inside houses, that perhaps they may be jinns that have embraced Islam. And there's a narration of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri radiallahu anhu that Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated that some jinns in Medina had embraced Islam, and Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered the Sahaba radiallahu anhu that if they saw a snake, they should give it respite for 3 days. Then if they found it again after 3 days had passed, they should kill it, because in that case it was a devil. So the jinnat come in different forms. It is possible for the jinnat to inhabit a haunted home, an empty home that has been left empty. So that is possible, and therefore Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that if you come in a home and you find a snake there, it's possible that it may be a jinnat, and therefore you should give it a respite of 3 days. For us as believers, what should we do? We should fortify ourselves by reading Surah Yasin daily. It comes also in a narration that whoever recites Surah Baqarah in a home, then the devil flees from that home. Reading our kuls morning and evening, reading Ayatul Kursi, the closing verses of Surah Baqarah, and by observing all of this, inshallah, we will protect ourselves from the evil effects of the jinnat.